brings transformation, an increased amount of love energy, clarity of mind, awareness, activated creativity, and inner peace. Trading affirmations. I live an abundant life. I attract money. I deserve to be rich. I have more wins than losses. I trade with confidence and clarity. I am grateful. I am consistently in profit. Forex is fun. I trust myself. I trust my analysis. I enjoy my life outside of trading. I am happy to take profit. The market will always offer me opportunities. I do not chase trades. I'm worthy to live the life that I dream. I am a confident trader. Trading is simple and easy. I have more wins than losses. I am a master trader.
Yes, absolutely. Nothing can stop me. I am all the way up. This is just going to be a quick sound check. I want to confirm that everybody on this live stream can hear me loud and clear. So if you guys can hear me from your location, let's see on the comments, loud and clear. And also, as you're joining the live stream, I want to see your name and where you guys are joining from so that I can recognize all the superstars who are on this live stream. So if you guys can hear me loud and clear, let's see some loud and clear on the comments, guys. I want to ensure that you all can hear before we take the introduction again. Let's get those feedback, guys. Let's get the feedback from you. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear loud and clear, let's see it on the comments. Let's go. Let's see it. All right, let's go, guys. I want to confirm you guys can hear me. If you can all hear me loud and clear, let's see some loud and clear on the comments, guys. Okay, beautiful. I can see Lai saying it loud and clear. And 𝗥𝗲𝗰, I can see it loud and clear. Let's get those feedbacks from you guys. Tonight, it's going to be massive, all right? It is the first day of the month of April 2024, and we are live. Guys, I'm so excited to be doing this with you tonight. So let's get those feedback really fast. Okay, since it's loud and clear, we're going to take it straight up and we're going to hit it. Let's go. ATWU. Yes, what's going on, superstars? Absolutely nothing can stop me. I am all the way up. If we have those superstars who are going all the way up as well, let's see it on the comments. ATWU, all the way up. Yeah, we understand pretty well that all it takes for you to scale from point A to point P starts with a decision. I take it again. Moving from point A to point B starts with a decision, an intentional decision to actually make a move. So for you to actually get anywhere in life, you need to start off with a decision to move from your comfort zone to somewhere better. And you cannot get to somewhere better without having an oversight. And that is why here in Freedom Trade House, we actually make use of the mantra. We say, if you can see it, you can have it. And this has actually been helping us in the trading journey, where we actually been trading the financial markets training our eyes to see this market in the most profitable way. And guys, I tell you the truth, if you want to be a profitable trader, you need to learn to see the charts the way other professional traders see it. I wish someone told me this about 5 years or 4 years ago when I started my trading journey, that it is not all about how I see the market or what I want the market to do or what I'm expecting or what I feel the market is going to do. No, in trading, for you to be profitable, you need to understand what other successful traders or other professional traders are seeing on the charts, because you are about to leverage on their volume to get price to go your way. So your volume alone cannot actually make price go in a particular direction that you want it to. So you got to learn to see the charts the way others do. And the best way you can actually learn all of this is by joining live sessions like this, where you see all the professional traders actually trade this financial market. And that way you start organizing your ability to analyze the market and how to go all the way trading this particular thing. So guys, I want to welcome you guys one more time. I'm super excited to be live with you guys. And like you all know, it's 𝗤𝗏𝗄𝗏𝗏 here again. And this is Freedom Trade House Live. We have our Freedom Trade House channel for videos, tutorial videos, educational videos. You just search for Freedom Trade House on YouTube and you're going to get access to that. And if you want to get access to our live streams, just like this, because we're going to be doing a lot of live streams every week on this channel throughout this month, you want to subscribe to the channel now and also give this video a thumbs up and also comment where you're joining this live stream from. Our goal for the month of April is to hit 2,000 subscribers on our live stream channel. So if you're joining us, you're very welcome. Smash the subscribe button now and let's go all the way up together. So let's quickly see those who are joining this live stream tonight. Where are you guys joining from? Let's see your name and where you're joining from. All right, I can see we have from Borno State. I have Chibok joining from Borno State. We also have Zambia well represented under this live stream. We also have, let's see, I want to see those who are really joining this. What's your country? I can see Darasimi from Oyo State, Nigeria. I can also see London from Botswana. I can also see Zambia, right? I made mention of that. Wow. And I can also see Emmanuel Enoch. Let's scroll up to the top. We have a lot of people joining. So guys, just tell me where you are joining from. All right. Where are you guys joining from? I can see Russell from Cameroon. I can see Guyana joining. I need to know your country. We have 𝗏𝗏 joining from South Africa. And we also have from Ebonyi State, Nigeria. We have 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 joining this live stream, only from Nigeria as well. We can see Lucien from Cameroon, and I have from Pakistan, Walid, and we have the from Jamaica. Wagwan, the big up to you and super excited to see you on the live stream tonight. And also we have some other superstars. Let's see, Kenya is well represented on this live stream. Let's know where you guys are joining from. Okay, and big shout out to those joining from Ghana. I can see Nephew from Ghana. Good to have you guys. Danny K from Nigeria. We have Abubakar from Lagos, Nigeria. So you are all welcome to this live stream one more time. So what are we going to be doing tonight? Tonight, we're going to be having a total overview of the market, right? We're going to be learning from a big time frame. That's the macro time frame. We're going to be analyzing a few markets. On the description of this video, I have about 6 markets. So we're going to be looking at volatility 75, volatility 25-1S. We're also going to be looking at, there's a new instrument that I added to my watch list, 250-1S, and possibly the 151S, and volatility 100. So we're going to be looking at all these markets really fast on the higher time frames. That is the daily chart, the 4-hour chart. And we're also going to be looking at the Forex space, where we're going to look at GBP/USD, and we'll look at the commodity XAUUSD. By the way, we actually caught a lot of pips trading XAUUSD today, the first day of April. And if you guys are not in our trading room for Forex signals, you want to get there now. You actually want to follow the description on our Telegram channel. If you're here, you can just check the description of this video. You're going to join our Telegram channel. And after you do that, you're going to see where we give the instructions, what you should follow to join the Forex signal room. And also, we're going to be looking at USOIL. That is one of the instruments that we actually introducing to our trading community. Like you all know, we are only interested in markets that are volatile, because the volatile markets are the ones that give us the pips, and the pips is what brings the money. And guys, that is what we're about to do here. All right, let's just start off. We're going to do a total top-down analysis, starting about around the daily time frame to the 4 hours. And after that, we are going to see if we have some signals that we can pick on the synthetic indices market tonight, because the Forex market is about coming to a close. And let's not forget, if you stay to the end of this, you guys are going to be learning about trading cryptocurrency. We're going to be learning about BTC USD and a few other tokens and coins that you may want to trade as futures. And if you pay close attention, right, I'm going to be giving you guys some coins that I'm currently holding in this year 2024, especially for the next 3 months, April, May, and June, right? Some coins that I'm looking to make about 5x to 10x on these coins. So if you guys pay attention to what we're doing here tonight, you're definitely going to be getting the best result. All right, let's dive into the chart. If you're super excited and you're ready for what we're about to do, let's see some let's go on the comments. Let's go. Yes, we are here. Now, taking a look at the chart, we have Volatility 75 index. We can see Volatility 75 right straight up. And this is on the daily chart. If you guys can see my screen, let's see some clear. Let's see it. Let's see so clear. Let's see it. Okay, guys. Let's look at the Volatility 75 index. I'm analyzing this on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, we can see that since January 2024, price has actually been keeping up with reaction from this point to this particular point. Let's take a look at it, guys. Let's take a close look from here to here. So price has been keeping up with a contraction inside of the zone, and it's important to know what is the maximum range of that contraction. So if you take a look at this on Volatility 75, you're going to see that from here to here we had an expansion of 5,000 pips, and from here to here we had quite some similar thing, 5,187 pips. And prior to this expansion, we saw that price ended the year, that is 2023, with a very massive expansion from the top to the bottom. We had some fall in price, about 33,000 pips on Volatility 75 index. And this movement actually started in November. We can see that is 10th of November, and it closed out. It ended at this is January 17th. So within the space of 2 months, we had price give us such an aggressive expansion of 33,000 pips. And right after the 33,000 pips dump, price moved on to give us some level of contraction in the market. And I can actually hear myself very loud and clear now with this headset. So I'm just going to put it down, so that I can, just focus here. So this is it. We had some level of expansion and price came into contraction here. And while this is ongoing, we can see on our technical indicators that price is currently accumulating for the next move. So what are we anticipating in the second quarter of the year? I think from my speculation, we're looking at price giving us some breakout of this trend on Volatility 75 from the stop here to this particular level to the bottom. We're looking at price giving us some breakout of this trend, and when we get a well enough breakout here, price most likely going to take us back up to the top. Because if we look at the history of this market, in the history, we had the price reach up to a million, little over a million up here. And since then, price currently been dumping. And this is about the all-time lows of this market. That's what we've been getting on volatility 75. So apparently, starting off this month, I think from my speculation that price is going to attempt to break out of this trend line that we have at the top. And this particular week that we are into, we can see that the market actually started the month with a bull, which is this candle we can see here. It started the month with a bull. That is the bullish candle we have on today's market. And you can see that I also have my take profit levels that I've identified on this chart between here, and up here. So if you guys trade in this market for this week, you could be looking out for some potential levels. If you're already in the buys on volatility 75 index, possibly you started off your positions 4 days ago, which was last week. That was last week Thursday or last week Wednesday. All right, if you started up your positions from then, you could be looking out for a take profit here and up here. We're looking for a breakout of this trend line. It's most likely going to take price down to give us a reaction on this particular pivot level. We got a pivot level of the chart here. All right, we could be getting a reaction there because we have resistance testing at support here, and you can see all of that. So I think this is really going to be taking price up. So in a nutshell, we're actually looking out for a bull on volatility 75 index this particular week. All right, we're looking for some bull run on volatility 75 index this particular week. Let's go over to another market. I'm just going to have a quick overview of this market. If you guys can hear me loud and clear and you're enjoying the live stream, let's see some 777 on the comments. If you guys can hear loud and clear and you're enjoying the live stream, let's see those 777s on the comments. Let's get it rolling, guys. Let's get those 777s. Let's get it rolling, guys. Okay, now let's head up straight up to another market, volatility 25. I'm just going to look at volatility 25 1S market, and after 25 1S, I'm going to look at volatility 100. And after that, we're going to most likely call it a day on volatility indices market. So this is volatility 25 1S. I want to take a look at it on the daily time frame. And after the look or the market watch on the daily time frame, we're going to be looking at something else. Okay, I actually mapped the zone on volatility volatility 25 1S. I marked the zone already as some level of reaction. You're going to look at it on the 4-hour time frame. You guys are going to see the reasons why I had it marked out like this. So the market is bearish. Volatility 25 1S. For those of you that are inside of the VIP trading room, you guys remember that we actually were looking for a swing trade setup on this market last week. It was really crazy, guys. It was crazy as hell. We were risking about 330 pips on this market. We executed for a sell. Let me show you guys what happened. Let me take my trend line from the bottom. I'm talking about volatility 25 1S. If you guys enjoying this live stream, put some right on. If you want me to continue with the analysis and you're getting a lot of value from this, put some right on the comments. Let's go. I need some energy in the room. So guys, take a look at this. We had a trend from the bottom here, and we can see very clearly that price is giving us, look at this, price is giving us some order block at the bottom. So I'm expecting price to get here in the next 60 days or possibly the next 90 days. Within 90 days, price could actually reach out here. So for those of you who take swings, and also those of you who take position trades, volatility 25 1S is one of the markets that you actually want to cast your lot on for swing positions. So if you are here, this is the thing. We had some sales from here, and we had our stop loss right above this level. Price broke, hit the stop loss, and went to this particular level. It's exactly the right shoulder of a head and shoulder pattern that we have on volatility 25 1S. Just take a look at this. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. It came to quickly establish a right shoulder right here, and right after that we had a massive pin bar, a very aggressive pin bar. And if you were trading the pin bar strategy, one could have executed a sell on this market at the opening of the next day, which was around here, and place your stop loss above the pin bar. But the reason why you may not want to really trade like this, risking about 1,650 pips on volatility 25-1S, is your plan for risk and reward, RR, which is very important. So if you were taking a risk like this, it may not suffice. And one thing about taking swing positions, besides having your analysis on the higher time frame, it's also very paramount that you step into the lower time frame, like the micro time frame, possibly the 30 minutes time frame, to analyze, to figure out a significant level where you can place your stop loss so that you can get a healthy enough risk to reward, because Forex trading is about risk management and also risk to reward. So let's say we had this level here as rejections. If I had executed a sell upon the breakout of this was yesterday, by the way, the breakout of the trend line that originated from the bottom. Let's look at where the trend line originated from. I'm going to come back to that. The trend line originated from here. This was December 16th of December 2023. That is when that actually originated. That is when it originated. So let's look at this. Now, it originated there, price broke out of it. And as soon as price broke out of it, yesterday, Sunday, price went to retest. Yesterday was the Easter Sunday. Price went to retested the trend line. And you can see very clearly that this trend line point is some level of interception between the supply zone and also the trend line. So that actually makes it a significant level. And this is something I want to share with you guys from a professional perspective of trading. Take note of levels of interception. Please put on the comments if you guys are following. If you didn't get anything from the live stream already, get this. Take note of levels of interception. Levels where the diagonal line intercepts with a horizontal resistance or support. So any point where you see the trend line intercept with a supply and demand zone or something like that, take it at a significant point, because it's just like the center of gravity. A lot of things going on in there. So take note of levels of interception. It's really going to help you guys to get sniper entries. And besides the sniper entries, it's also going to help you to get high probability trade setups. It's really going to help you to get high probability trade setups. So if I was going to take this, we could be looking at this from this point here, interception, and taking it down, the first take profit level down here. And right after that, the final take profit level is down here. All right, that's the final take profit level. So this is going to take, according to my speculation, it could take about, in fact, we're even having more aggressive movement. Like today and yesterday, we had some aggressive dumps. Price did about, let's see how many pips price did from here. Price did a dump of about 1,200 pips. And the potential take profit of this particular move is about, from here to the bottom, it is a potential take profit of about, let's see, 5,000. Oh, this is not even the final take profit, guys. This is not the final take profit. This is take profit 2. Take profit 2 is about 5,000 pips. And the final take profit, which is take profit 3, from up here to down there, is about 14,000 pips. So that's what I was actually anticipating, 14,000 pips. If you can hold this up for 60 days, most likely going to be catching all of this on volatility 25-1S. So this is how I want to go here. We're going to get back to this, and I'm going to be giving signals for those of you who are trading with us. Make sure you join the Telegram channel, okay? Ensure you are in our Telegram channel. I'm going to be giving free signals this month. In this month of April, we're going to be taking free setups, one signal a day, at most one free signal on the free channel, just to encourage you guys to have a taste of what we're doing in the inner circle. And also, if you want to have more signals and you want to trade Forex with us, like access to XAUUSD signals and also GBP/USD signals and USOIL, if you want to have access to that, then you just sign up with our Exness link, follow the step, you fund your trading account $100 or more. $100 is the least you should actually be funding this month. You fund it and you send it to our team. We're going to get you plugged in so you start taking the signals. Today we did over 120 pips trading XAUUSD. So those are part of things that we want to help you guys achieve this month. We're very intentional. So the first 100 people who are going to be signing up between now and 15th of April, those of you who are going to be using the link to sign up and apply for the Forex Signal Room, we're going to be accepting you guys at $100 minimum deposit. All right, minimum deposit. You're not paying nobody. You're just trading with our recommended broker, and we're going to get you in $100. But right after that, once we hit the target of 100 people, and we also hit the target, let's say if we have this 100 people before 15th, boom, we're going to be taking up to 200 minimum. So we want to work with people who are ready to move. We're ready to go. You understand? I was listening to Les Brown. He said, I would rather move with people who are ready to go than to have one person stuck around my neck. All right, this is what we want to do. If you're ready to go, you're ready to take your trading to the next level and need proper guide, then you actually want to take advantage of all these opportunities that we are giving to you. Let's head over back to the charts. If you guys enjoyed this session, let's see some ATWU on the comments. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All right, back to the charts now. Let's go over to the next market. I said I'm going to put an eye on. We're going to be looking at Volatility 100. If you trade Volatility 100, let's see it on the comments, guys. If you trade Volatility 100, let's see on the comments. If you trade, let's identify you. All right, let's identify you. So Volatility 100. Here it is. Here it is. This is Volatility 100. And as you guys can see, you know, I already have my zones marked out. One of the things I told myself I'm going to do in the second quarter of the year is to actually take advantage of swing positions, because I have a lot of things. I have a lot of projects for YouTube, projects for our mobile app. You know, we're about launching, guys, I got to tell you this. I got to tell you guys this. We're about launching one of the best trading apps in the world. We're about launching one of the best trading app in the world. This app is designed in different languages. So wherever you're joining from, you can automatically translate the setups, the things we have on the app into your language. Now, the function of this app is going to help you guys get these quality signals on Forex. You get quality signal notifications on crypto. You're also going to be getting signal notifications on synthetic indices like Volatility 75 and so on, boom and crash and all of that. So my tech team and also my team of traders, because we're building a massive community of traders, badass traders, right? We're putting a lot of work to this, and we're going to be launching our app very soon. All you just need to do is download the app on your mobile phone, and whenever there's a trade opportunity, regardless of your time zone, you're just going to get a notice. You just pop up the, hey bro, go take a look at this, and you go take it out. You can take it on your MT5, and from there, boom, you can be making profit. If you want premium, you can subscribe to premium, and it's going to be free. And this premium is not going to be too expensive, by the way, because you start with a free and then you upgrade. Then besides that, we also have the academy, you know, embedded on it. And the academy, what we're trying to work on is whatever language you are in, you're just going to have it transcribed in different languages. And this is what we're actually doing for the community, the trading community. We want to take you guys to the next level, because I believe that if you empower one person, that person will empower another person, empower the next generation. And that's why we don't take education lightly. We actually take it very seriously, because I want everybody to be well educated. If you guys are really excited about this, let's see some ATWU on the comments. If you're pretty excited about it, guys, let's get some ATWU. That is all the way up. Let's see the AD all the way up on the comments, guys. All right, let's go back to the charts pretty fast with Volatility 100, and I'm looking at Volatility 100 on the daily chart. This is the first day of April, and a lot is going to be happening between April and June. April, May, June, and between April and the 30th of June, a lot's really going to be happening. So you guys want to position yourself in front of opportunities before it becomes obvious to the masses, and that is what successful people do. All right, so on Volatility 100, there could be some reaction here, but from what I see price breaking that level and giving us a reaction to this particular demand zone at the bottom on the daily chart. This possibly could happen within the next I think it can happen within the next 12 days. We could be having a dump of price from here down to the bottom. And you guys can see what the market's really been doing. It's some crazy downtrend, huh? Volatility 100 being some crazy downtrend. Very crazy downtrend. Very crazy downtrend. I repeat, very crazy one. All right. So you guys going to be looking out for this. I'm not going to say so much on this market, and because I'm about to teach you guys something. I'm about teaching something that's going to help a lot of beginners. Now, I'm going to be explaining the concept of market structure to you guys on our analysis of XAUUSD. So let's go over straight up to the chart to XAUUSD. Let's look at it now, guys. Let's look at this. Let's see XAUUSD on the comments, guys. For those of you with us tonight, let's see XAUUSD on the comments. Let's see it, XAUUSD on the comments. So we're going to be analyzing this market now, and I'm going to give you guys a lesson from tonight's live stream. I'm going to give you a lesson from tonight's live stream. Please always remember this. Remember this and say it. Put it in the comments. If you can see it, you can have it. Put on the comments, guys. I want to make sure you guys are following. I want to make sure you're all following this live stream. If you can see it, you can have it. So the reason you are showing up on this live stream at this time, this is 10:05 p.m. Nigeria time. And in Ghana, it is 9:05 p.m. In South Africa, it is 11:05 p.m. And we got a lot of South Africans here. The reason why you're showing up here is because you want to train your eyes to see. And that is the thing. So while you're dedicating a lot of time, patience, and putting a lot of work to this, you're training yourself to see. It doesn't matter how many years it's going to take. If you don't quit, I'm saying it again, it doesn't matter how many years it's going to take. The fact remains that if you don't quit on your dreams, if you don't quit on the reason why you started trading, I'm saying it again, guys, if you don't quit on the reason why you started this trading journey, you're going to be big. You're going to be successful. If you can compound all the profits you're making year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, you know, you're just going to get big. You have no other option but to improve, but to be better. And that is the thing. So you got to see where you're going to. As a trader, you got to see what is potentially about to happen in the market. For you to take a buy or sell, you should be able to simulate the movement of price in your head. Like you visualize it. And the same thing appears, or the same thing happens even beyond the charts. If you want to become a rich and wealthy person, if you want to be a successful person, you want to be a successful trader, you want whatever anybody mentions your name, right? You want success to be attributed to it. Then first, you got to see you being that. Like I want to ask you guys something. If you mention Sam Keys, what comes to your mind? When you hear Sam Keys, many of you know me. A lot of you guys know me very well. What comes to your mind? And that is the same thing you have to. Whatever you guys think about me, I had seen it long ago. And I also spoke it into existence. I said, I'm a global personality. Therefore, I speak, talk, and act like one. I speak, walk, and act like one. I saw this years ago, 2019. Was it 2019? 2018. That is when, before all of this Forex shit started. Right? I saw all of this happening. So I'm telling you guys the same thing. I don't know where you are at right now. I don't know where you're starting off right now. Right? I don't know where you're starting off. I started off broke. Guys, I know what I'm saying. So none of us, the trading billionaires or trading rich guys that you guys know, myself, Jeffrey Benson, who's been in business for about 9 years now, 𝗏𝗏𝗰𝗄, which is the godfather, of course, 𝗏𝗏𝗰𝗄, you know, Ref Wayne, you know, 𝗏𝗶𝘆𝑓𝑥, you know, these big guys, you know, Q Banks, mention them, you know, all these guys, right? We didn't start, okay, I didn't forget, FX Gold, that is Emmanuel, and yeah, the two of them, right? The FX Gold, you know, all of these guys, if you check the story, where we all started from, we came from the trenches, okay? We came from the trenches. So if you are on this call and you think you actually need connection before you become successful at trading, or you think you're less privileged and all those things, then you're wrong. Because it is the hunger that you have that is going to bring the best out of you. And that is the truth. So while you're at your hunger state, don't let it waste. Don't let the pain waste. Use it, gain from it. Use it to push yourself. Use it to bring the best out of you. That is it. Use it to bring the best out of you. So whenever you're trading, whenever you're doing this as a business, because some people just call themselves Forex traders, why some people are Forex businessmen? Whenever you're doing your business, always have why you started by the side. If you can have a reason or a why that is so big that can overcome all of the challenges you're going to face, there's no reason why you wouldn't be successful. So you need to have a big enough why. Have that why and also visit it always. And don't settle for less. The battle is not against somebody else. It's against poverty. It's against poverty. You're going to be the first millionaire in your family, dollar millionaire. You're going to be the first billionaire in your family. For those of you in Nigeria and all of that, you're going to be the first. You're changing the narrative of your generation. And that is why you're here, guys. So before you step into this month, we're already on the 1st. Sit down, visualize where are you going to in 2024 April. And we have 3 months, April, May, and June. Where are you going to? And when you've identified where you're going to, you need to surround yourself with people who are going that way. Put on the comments, surround yourself with quality people. Put on the comments, everybody. Surround yourself with quality people. Surround yourself with people who are going your direction. You're going to get there much faster. And that is the thing. It's very important. And one of the things you want to do is, like for now, we start in April. You may want to take the quarterly membership of the VIP because we have an inner circle with people going the same direction. You may choose to take that. Boom. You help yourself elevate. There's a lot of things you got to do intentionally for you to get where you want to get to. Let's get back to the chart and see what the chart's actually saying. If you guys got some value from that pep talk, let's see some 555 on the comment. If you got some value from the pep talk, let's see some 555 on the comments, guys. All right. So let's go. This is volatility. No, XAUUSD. I'm so used to volatility indices. I'm just going to close up this and let's look at the market. Now, XAUUSD, this is a 3 minutes time frame. Let's go over to the daily time frame. I'm interested in the daily time frame. We want to see what we're potentially going to be getting on all of these commodities and also the Forex market this particular month. Let's see what we're going to be getting. All right. Let's see what we're going. For those of you who want to be billionaires, surround yourself with billionaires. If you want to be a millionaire, surround yourself with millionaires. If you want to be a successful Forex trader, surround yourself with successful Forex traders. You're just going to be drawing from their energy without them even doing much. You're just going to be getting inspiration, the energy, because life is about frequency, vibration, and energy. So be intentional about this, guys. Let's go over. This is XAUUSD, and the market is in a strong surge. It's a bull run. It's a bull run. So we're looking for, it's a strong surge, guys. I know what I'm talking about. It's a bull run. You know, with what is happening on BTC USD, Bitcoin trying to, boom, hit $100,000. That is where Bitcoin is actually aiming for. It started off today with $71,000. We're going to go over to the Bitcoin chart and I'm going to show you a few things, guys. Now, Bitcoin started off with $71,000 today. We can see that as we're having some surge and some bull runs on the cryptocurrency market, it also has a way it is influencing the commodities market. So what you want to do as traders is you want to learn how to leverage on the price movement. And also, before you get into doing all of this, you need to define what kind of trader you are. If you want to swing trade, be intentional about your positions for swing trading. If you want to day trade, be intentional about your positions for day trading. Don't get yourself mixed up. Don't get yourself confused with all of those concepts. So if you're day trading, be day trading indeed. And that is the thing. So this particular month of April, let's look at the week. Let's look at the monthly time frame for XAUUSD. Last month, we had some massive bull. Can you see that bull candle? Massive bull candle that actually broke this trend line connecting here to here. You see, guys, I have all the analysis even before I open up my chart. That shows you that I spend a lot of time trading these markets and analyzing them. So this month, we're potentially going to be getting first possible retest of this trend line that got broken. And let me get my rectangle tool here. I'm going to be spending close to an hour in this session. Okay, I still have more time. So look at this. This session is going to last close to an hour. By the way, if you guys are just joining, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. We have a goal for 2024 April. We have a goal to hit 2,000 subscribers on this channel. So you're all welcome to subscribe to the channel. Like this video and subscribe. Please like and subscribe to get more like this. If you enjoy what we're doing, you know, it's very important that you stay connected to the source. All right, let's go, guys. So this is anticipated to be some massive bump on XAUUSD. It's actually been a long time price came around here, or even it's the all-time high. It's all-time high of this market. Yes, it really is. Look at this. This was in 2020, September 2011. In 2011, that was, I remember when price was about here, right? In 2011, we had price up here. I remember when price was here. 2020, August. I remember when all of these markets happened. So now you can see that gold is currently hitting up its ATH all-time highs. So guys, in your trading, you need to have knowledge of this so that you're going to know where or what position to hold for a long time. What position to hold for a long time, or what position to hold for a short time. You got to know this, guys. There's no two ways about it. Guys. All right? There's no two ways about it. Let's just put up some things here. All right, let's go. So now we're going to look at this. Gold currently pumping. Now for your positions, you don't want to be taking your trade positions in the higher time frame like this. No, especially when price is not around a key level like demand and supply area. No, you want to step into the smaller time frame, like the 30 minutes time frame and the 5 minutes time frame, to pick your positions. And I'm going to be teaching you guys a bunch of things on that, how you can pick your positions. If you guys want to learn it, let's see, learn on the comments. If you want to learn how to pick quality entries, sniper entries on this market, let's see, learn on the comments. If you want to learn, you know, how to do that, if you want to see it, I'm going to show you guys live. I'm going to show you on this live stream. All right, we're just going to go to any instrument that is open now, and we're going to do that. So let's go over to another market. Let's quickly go over to GBP USD. And after GBP USD, we're going to take a look at US oil. And after we take a look at US oil, we're going to take a look at the cryptocurrency space, where we look at SOL USDT and BTC USDT. All right, guys, this is GBP USD. We can see that the market on a 30 minutes time frame has given us some aggressive dump. And the dump from the top side to this particular point was about 103 pips dump. However, one who wanted to trade this particular dump from that top, you definitely going to be connecting your trend line. And when you see the trend line like this, connect here, you have to get to this point here, from here to here, connect up to this particular level here, right? You have to connect this. So if you're going to be taking yourselves, as you guys can see, I could step down inside here. I want to show you how you could pick your entry here. You know, price is a demand zone here. So what you want to do as a trader is you want to catch the expansion. So I'm not interested in when price is contracting. I'm just interested in expansion. So you want to catch it when the expansion is about to take place. So there's a possible way that you could actually do that. I'm giving you guys premium information right now. So pay attention, put away the distraction, stop scrolling your phones. A lot of people, they're just so fond of scrolling such that they don't even know when they're doing that, and they scroll out of valuable information. So you make a zoom like this. You can see very clearly that price came back to this same area where we had the breakout this same place. It came back to test it. So one could easily take a sell. One could easily pick up their sell positions from here. You could easily take up your sell from that particular level down to that point. You can see the flag pattern. So these are things that you're going to look out for. I'm going to give you more information on this when we go over to the charts on volatility indices. So let's look at GBP/USD, not XAUUSD. Let's take a look at GBP/USD on the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, we can see the market is bearish. The market is giving us some strong bear movement, right? The market is giving us some strong bear movement on GBP/USD, and price is currently seated around some level of demand. Take a look at this. We have it here, right? Price is currently seated around some level of demand down here. All right, if I want to introduce my demand supply indicators, there's a lot of information there. I don't want to show you guys so that we don't release too much information here. So price is going to be testing here, and most likely we're going to be getting dump for the next couple of days. I'm anticipating a dump on GBP/USD. Take a look at the charts very well. Take a look at the charts very, very well, guys. So we're looking for a bearish market on GBP/USD. On GBP/USD. But if dollar doesn't show enough strength, the price could actually go back to the top. It could rally to the top. Look at this, because starting off from here, we can see price giving us some movement here. So it could rally to the top. Now, like I said, having a widespread information of the chart like this does not give you the 100%. 100%. Okay, let's look at this, guys. I think I'm right. I'm right about it. Now, having a wide perspective of the market like this doesn't guarantee that price is going to go that way immediately from anywhere you enter. No, that is why you need to learn about entries, how to enter the market so that you're going to be risking less and maximizing profit. So like I said, there's been a breakout of the trend, and price accumulated after the breakout and continued downwards. So we're going to be having a breakout of this demand zone, and we're going to be looking at price coming to this particular level at the bottom. So you guys want to take a look at this. We're going to be sharing these signals on our Forex room, right? Make sure you join the Forex room so that you don't miss any of this setup. US oil, for those of you trading US oil, now this US oil is a very important market. A very important market. If you don't know anything about the economies of the world, you want to start studying about this. What controls the movement of price on US oil? All right. Please take note of this. US oil, we also have the stock market index that is US 30. You guys, a lot of you really want to learn about these things because you need to expand your knowledge. If you're doing just one thing in this industry for the past 12 years or the past 7 years or past 4 years, it is time for you to improve on your knowledge, because learning is living. You got to subject yourself to opportunities to learn more, and that is how you grow. If you don't subject yourself to opportunities to learn more, you're most likely not going to grow at all. So you want to pay attention to that. And I really give some big up to those of you who are on this live stream right now, because that's what you're doing. You're here because you want to learn more. Big up to you guys. Can't wait to see you at the top, guys. ATWU. All right, my time is almost up. Let's go over to learn about market structure. Everybody put on the comment, market structure. Boom, my take profit points been hit on volatility 75 index. Let's go over, let's say market structure. Put on the comments, guys. I want to make sure that you guys can hear me. I want to ensure everybody on this live stream can hear me. We're going to be wrapping up this session with a proper and thorough understanding of market structure. And let's see it. Market structure. I want to get those confirmations from you guys. And while we're putting all of this up, I'm going to be sharing some live setup. Now, for you to get the real data of the setup, make sure you join the Telegram channel. Check the description of this video. You're going to see a link to join our Telegram channel. Or you can simply, let me see if I can project my Telegram. I don't want to project it today. I could have projected it, but you can simply just type it on your computer to join our Telegram channel. That is where I post updates, signals, free signals on this market. I post it on the Telegram channel every day, Monday to Sundays. I update the channel every day, Monday to Sundays. So just join t.me/freedom trade house. Type this into your browser and click the link that follows. Sorry, click whatever button that follows after you type it in. Let me do that on my browser. Take a look at this, guys. �t.me/freedom-trade-house. Do that. Whatever that appears, boom, you can see it. It's giving us something here. We have 14,728. So this month, our goal for this month also is to take this subscribers rate to 20,000. 20,000. Is it possible? We're going to be having 20,000 subscribers on our Freedom Trade House channel this month. And we're going to resume an exercise. All you guys are going to do is just invite one person each. Or if you could do more, boom. And if you pass, or if you do pretty well at doing the invitation challenge, boom, you guys are going to be winning some pretty well gift from Sam Keys this month. But let's just take it poco a poco. Let's take it little by little, guys. Let's go over to the chart right now. Join the Telegram channel to get those setups. Now look at this, guys. Market structure. Market structure is everything. Market structure is everything. Put on the comments, guys. Market structure. If you understand the structure of the market, then you can predict it. If you understand the structure of the market, then you can predict it well enough. Now look at this, market structures. There are three, right? This is premium information. We have the ranging market. We have the ranging, we have the choppy market, and we have the trending market. These are the three types of market structures that we have. When the market is ranging, we can consider it as the market being stuck inside of a box. Being stuck inside of a box like this. The market is ranging, it's staying with equal highs and equal lows. This kind of range is called sideways market, equal highs, equal lows. We could also have a ranging market in the form of a diagonal kind of thing, like it could be ranging in this kind of way, upwards, but you can see the candles just going up and coming back around that same particular thing. You understand? It could also be ranging closely, slightly inclined to the bottom. This is some other form of range, and these are things that we actually refer to as contraction. But the most popular of all of these ranging markets is the sideways market. Another market structure that you can actually categorize is this, the choppy market. The choppy market, it doesn't have a form, no equal high, no equal low. It's just anyhow. All right? It's just anyhow. Just like that machine you have in the hospital that actually tracks the heartbeat of the patient, right? Just like that. That is how it moves. So this kind of market, we strictly advise that beginners, all traders, don't trade the market when it is choppy. The best markets to trade is the trending market. Everybody put on the comments, trending market. Trending market. That is the best market to trade, the trending market. So let's learn about the trending market. The trending market is a market that starts in two forms. We have the uptrend and the downtrend. You guys can search about it, right? You guys can search about it. So we have the trending market. It starts from the low. We're going to take it one at a time, all right? We have the trending market. The trending market starts from a low. We have the uptrend. So the uptrend starts from a low, gets to a high, retraces, gets to another high, retraces, and gets to another high. So this is an uptrending market. A downtrending market starts from a high, when it goes down, retraces, go down, and retraces and goes down. So this is a downtrending market. Now, in the concept of trading, you need to understand most of this. Look at this. You're going to come across terms like this. As a trader, you need to understand these terms. Let me put it out to you. The first is EQH. What is EQH? You guys put on the comments. Let's see the first person to get it right. What is EQH? And also, what is EQL? Right? What is HH? All right. What is this? HH. What is HL? I want to see those who get it. If it's EQH, you put the answer in the comments. What is HL? And what is LL? And what is LH? Then after all of this, you're going to learn about something like this, BOS. And you're going to learn about COHCH, CHOCH. This looks like some chemical compound. For those of you who did organic chemistry, CHOCH, you guys know that, huh? So the first one is equal high. The second one is equal low. The third is higher highs. The fourth is higher lows. The fifth is lower lows. That is the LL. The sixth is lower highs. All right. BOS refers to break of structure, and CHOCH refers to change of character. So it is very easy. When the market gives you a movement like this and comes back to that same point and retraces, we refer to this level as equal highs. When the market gives you from the top and goes down and comes back to maintain the same level and goes back up, it's called equal lows. All right. The market is in an uptrend. It creates higher highs, HH, and higher lows. We have HH here. We have higher low here, HL right here. HH, HL, HH, HL. That is for an uptrend. For a downtrending market, we have lower low and we'll have lower high right here. So as a trader, you need to understand this. So we'll have lower low here and so on it goes. Now, the idea of break of structure and break of structure and change of character is simple. When price is maintaining or price is in an uptrend, it's in a particular trend and it's maintaining it. And as you can see in the structure of an uptrend, we need to have higher highs. You can see very clearly that at this point, when price got here, this was equal high level. The moment price broke this equal high level and continues with the form of the uptrend, which is higher high level, this breakout point here is what we now call break of structure. That is what we refer to as BOS. BOS is in the direction of the primary trend. BOS is in the direction of the primary trend. Then when the market changes direction, for example, we can see that at this particular bottom here, for a market that is going upwards in an uptrend, here price is not supposed to go below this particular low. If it's going to maintain an uptrend, price could easily come here, create equal lows and go up again. But we can see very clearly that the market didn't go up that way. Instead, it broke it and came below it. This point where price broke the structure of an uptrend from here into the structure of a downtrend, because downtrend has lower lows. This point where we had the change of direction, that we had the change of the trend with this formation of lower lows, it is what we call change of character. Change of character. COCH. It shows us that the trend of the market has been changed. And that is the thing. Here, price is now in a downtrend. At this particular point where price, take a look, now it is in a downtrend. At this point where price broke this particular low, is it a change of character or break of structure? Here now, this particular point, is it now a change of character or break of structure? Let's see who gets it right. You score a point. If you get it right, you score a point. You score a point. At this point where price broke this equal low level, is it a change of character or break of structure? Let's see it, the first person. 𝗖𝗲𝗍𝗍, you got 2 points. 𝗖𝗲𝗍𝗍, you got 2 points on the score. So whenever I'm having my live sessions, I think I'm going to be working with points. Anybody that hits 10 points, whenever we're having live sessions, the person goes with a gift. So 𝗖𝗲𝗍𝗍, you got 2 points. 𝗖𝗲𝗲𝗰𝗍. Let me put it on the screen so you guys can see it. 𝗖𝗲𝗲𝗰𝗁. You got 2 points on this already. So you got to try to get up to 10 points for you to win my gift. So that is it. So we now understand that this is it. So that means if price is going all the way up and we have a break of structure, price breaks this equal low level, then it means that if price is going all the way up and price breaks the equal low and gives us a change of the character, then boom, there's an idea from the chart telling us that, hey, the direction of this market is most likely not going to go up anymore. It's going to start going down. So now you understand this is just some primary thing. We're going to be having the beginner's trading course for trading. We're going to be having the beginner's trading course for April. We did it in February. It was fantabulous. We're going to be starting off in this month of April. For those of you who need the beginner course and you want to have like a classroom kind of setup with your mentor, then you want to subscribe for that. I'm going to post the details in the trading channel on Telegram. Now look at this. I want to ask another question. Let's see the first together. With the movement of price from the bottom here to here, is price in an uptrend or a downtrend? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? I need to get it. Uptrend or downtrend? Let's see on the comments. Who gets it first? Uptrend or downtrend? Who gets it right? And who gets it first? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? 2 points again. That is 𝗖𝗲𝗲𝗰𝗍. You got another 2 points. That is 4 points for you tonight. The first to respond. Somebody should actually help me break that record, huh? All right. So that is an uptrend in market. And let's quickly put to practice all Sam Keys just taught you about market structure. Our objective here at Freedom Trade House is to simplify trading to advanced traders and also beginners. That is what we're doing here. To simplify trading to advanced traders and also beginners. And that's why you guys see I'm investing a whole lot. Like for now, how do you guys see the space where we're doing our live stream? How do you guys see it? Do you love it? Do you love it, guys? Right? We're investing into this so we can impact the world. Our battle is against poverty. We are fighting against poverty. In Africa, all around the world, we are fighting against poverty. And this trading is a change of character. Oh, come on. I feel like preaching here. Guys, do you understand? Trading is the change of character. Trading is the CHOCH for our generations to come. It is changing the character from the downtrend of poverty to an uptrend of abundance. That is what trading is doing. Moving us from the downtrend of poverty to an uptrend of abundance. So that is the thing. So if we're talking about trading, guys, you got to pay close attention. You got to do all you can to pay attention because you want to change the narrative of your family. That's what's paramount. Family is everything. That's what we're doing all of this, guys. That's what we're sitting here. Because we got to change it. My children should be better than myself. And that is it, guys. So trading is the tool for a change of character on the trend of poverty. Put on the comments, guys, if you get it. You see, trading, Forex trading, my business, whatever you're doing is the tool for a change of character of the trend of poverty. We're changing it, guys. We change it. Yes, trading, it has started the change of structure. It has, boom, you're having the change of character. It's turning around. I know it's turning around for you guys. It's turning around for you guys. Put some 555. Put some fire in the comments. Let's see some fire emojis on the comments, guys. Let's see some fire emojis. If you guys joined the channel for the first time, subscribe. Don't leave this page without subscribing. Don't do that. It's dangerous. Okay? It is very dangerous. If you leave this page without subscribing, it is dangerous for you. It is dangerous for you. If you want to join us fighting against poverty, you know what to do. Join the moving train, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right, guys. Let's go back to the charts. Let's go back. Let's go back. Shaya. I know you guys in South Africa, you like that slang, eh? Shaya. What's the meaning of 𝗙𝗲? S-H-A-Y-A. 𝗙𝗲. You guys, I see a lot of contents from South Africa. 𝗙𝗲. You know, for energy, let's put an E for energy. Everybody put on comments. E for energy. E for energy. Guys, I'm feeling pumped up right now. Like, boom, 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 boom. You know, whenever we mention like, hey, guys, you got to fight against poverty. Huh? Hey, I'm so ready to put in a lot of energy for that. So everybody put on comments. I can never be poor. I can never be poor. Put a fire emoji to it. Guys, you need to understand something. I need to make you guys understand. Trading is 80% mental. 80% mental. You're not fighting with the charts. You're fighting with poverty. You're not fighting with the candlesticks. You're not fighting with all of this. You're fighting against that stronghold, that power, those forces that's been holding your family down. So whenever you approach the market, don't think about this kind of, no, you're fighting some forces that don't want you to be rich and wealthy, that don't want you to experience a change of character. So now you need to have that understanding. Hey, I am changing the narrative of my family. We're moving from poor to rich. And this trading, it is the change of character. It is the tool of change of character. So whenever you're doing this, put in some energy, put some fire to your business. That is how you go all the way up. You guys hear some kids all the time. Hey, some kids, whenever I put on the music, hey, all the way up, bro. All the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. I'm not putting up that music because I like the song. It's because it's prophetic. And it's you declaring it over your life. I've been using that for years. As long as you guys know me, I've been using that. Since 2021 or 2020. All the way up. And that is the thing. You got to put in the fire to your work. When you're doing your thing, you got to put a lot of energy. The energy shows intentionality. It shows that you are intentional about what you're doing and you know exactly what you're doing. And that is the thing, guys. Let's get this done. Let's shut the door of poverty out of our families. Let's live our best lives. Say it on the comments. I can never be poor. I am rich. Say it, guys. I am rich. And that is the thing. It's going to become your reality. You're going to become your reality, guys. Let's go over. Now, look at this. This is it. This is what I just taught you. This is where price started off. It got to this particular level, retraced, came back to that level. At this point of price, we had some form of equal highs. EQH. We had some form of EQH around here. We had some form of EQH, equal highs. But at this point here, as price extended to this particular level, we had something. Can somebody tell me what is this called? This point that it went out of here. We had break of structure, all right? We had the break of structure take place here. It went up and now it started retracing. Came here and it created a higher low, which is higher than these lows that we have here. A higher low. Went on equal highs around here. Then finally after the retracement, it went up and broke it. So please take note. Before price will break an equal high, there will be a retracement. If you have not heard this revelation before, learn it now. Before price will bring about a break of structure, there will be a short-term retracement. Look at this. It came down. It came to test the equal high. It will retrace. It will drop. It went back down to build more momentum. That is why I'm telling you guys something right now. Sometimes in your life, you experience a downtrend. But the downtrend is not a downtrend. It's a retracement. Somebody say 𝗙𝗲. Put some 𝗙𝗲 on the comments. It is not a downtrend. You need to learn how to define the step back, the slow times in your life. They shouldn't be downtrends. Some setbacks you experience, they are not downtrends. They are retracements. And these are retracements are necessary for you to experience a break of structure. The retracement is necessary for you to have a break of structure. That is the thing. It is happening on the chart. There are some times you may want to go beyond the limit of your mind, the highest thing you've ever achieved. Perhaps some of you, you're going to be experiencing $10,000. You're used to $10,000 a month. Some of you used to $20,000 a month. Some of you $1,000 a month. Then the moment you say, hey, I want to go above $1,000 a month, say I'm used to 1,000. I used to make it. I've done it first month, 3, second, 4, 5 months. Okay, now it's time for me to go above it. Then you figure out that the 6 month where you want to try to go about $1,000 a month, you don't even make up to $1,000 that month. You now start making something like $600, or you start making $400 or $500. Some of you even $200 in a month. Hey, man, what's going on here? What's going on? Hey, what's going on? You gotta ask yourself this, guys. You gotta celebrate every situation. You gotta put a fire. You said, yes, I'm working. I'm working because I am given a retracement to create a higher low. Oh, guys, I'm given a retracement to create a higher low that will push me beyond that limit. It is a state of mind. You need to understand this. Whenever you experience that downward movement, it is not a downtrend. You are creating a higher low that will push you above the limit, that will push you and you experience a break of structure. It's the same thing that's happening here. If you can hear me say, If you can hear me say, guys. Let's go to the chat. If you can hear me, I gotta see it on the comment. If you can hear me, say Type it on the comment. I don't know how you spell it, but let's see who gets the spelling right. So let's go, guys. So this is it. Can you see at this point here, at this point right here, price attempted to break it. It created equal high. Then it retraced and it created higher low. That higher low gave momentum for price to break beyond that point. Right? The next thing happened here. It created a higher low. Momentum, break beyond it. Here, went down, retracement, broke beyond this. And that is how it happens. That is how it happens in trading, guys. I'm telling you, it works. If it doesn't work, I will tell you so. So, guys, we've dropped a lot of energy tonight. And I really want you guys to understand that this live session, you being on this live session tonight, it's not a coincidence. It is spiritual. And it has been divinely designed for you to be here tonight. And I'm telling you guys, you got to speak into existence all that you want. In April, don't talk about the things you don't like. Don't talk about, hey, I'm sick again. No, talk about, hey, I'm healed. Talk what you want and put in the work. It's going to become a reality. Out of my busy schedules, some kids turn up and say, hey, let's help you guys. Let's talk. Let's know how we're going to take this trading thing to the next level. And that is why I'm here. I am hungry about, when you say poverty, I'm an anti-agent, or I'm anti-poverty agent. No, you can't know same keys and you still remain the same. No, you got to be better. You got to be rich. The rich and the wealthy, all those things, it starts with your mind. You got to be rich and wealthy in your mind. That's why I showed you guys all of these things from the chart. You got to be rich and wealthy from your mind. Then you put in the work and it becomes a reality. This is it. Mentally, I visualize it. The next step is, boom, put in the work. And the next is give it time and consistency. Accept the new person you want to become in your mind. Put in the work. Start acting like the person you want to become. Do it consistently with time. And before you know it, it's going to become a reality. And I believe in you guys. For all of you that have stayed on this live session for 1 hour right now, I believe in you all. I want to see you guys keep showing up on the live stream. Share Freedom Trade House. Share it. This month, we're going 2,000. If you love somebody and you want them to elevate as well, share Freedom Trade House. We're doing our own. We got promotions, our ads everywhere. This month, you guys are going to be seeing Freedom Trade House everywhere. On Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you're going to be seeing us everywhere. Because we are on a mission to eradicate poverty. And we are eradicating poverty and helping people and achieving this by their own will. You got to be willing to break out before we give you help. If we're giving help and you're not willing to receive it, you ain't breaking out. And that is the thing, guys. That is the thing. So you're asking, when is the next live session? According to my schedule, I think I'm going to be putting my live sessions on Mondays. And I'm going to also check up this week if I can have a live. No, we got to do once a week, because I'm going to be creating more content videos. I'm going to be recording videos, edit and upload during the week. But you see, every Monday night, are you guys ready for that? Every Monday night, don't miss it. Don't miss it. Don't miss the live session on Monday night. It's going to be fire. Say yeah. Right? It's going to be fire. So I want to see how we can have these live sessions like twice a week, because people need this fire. They need this energy. We need people to elevate. Twice a week live stream is good. If we can do twice a week live streaming this month, that means we're going to be having 8 live streams in the month of April. And it's going to be massive. If we want to do more, I'm going to let you guys know. I'm going to check up the schedule for the week, and I'm going to let you guys know. Make sure you stay updated. Make sure you stay updated. Make sure you're following everything that we're doing. And always remember, you have all it takes to win. Success comes to those who apply successful habits consistently. You become successful when you're doing something consistently. So you need to develop the right habit towards where you're going to. And that way, it's going to become a reality for you guys. Here's how far I want to go on this session. I want to appreciate all of you who joined the live stream. Those of you who've been commenting back to back, I appreciate you. So if you guys are ready for Monday nights, every Monday night, we're going to be having this live stream. I think it's really important. Monday nights, we're going to put in some fire. We're going to bring it in here. And a lot of you guys are going to get the energy. Monday nights, don't miss my live streams. This month, Monday nights, don't miss it. I think we're going to be having how many more nights? 1, 2. We're going to be having 4 more nights this month. Next week and 3 more weeks after next week. We're going to be having every Monday. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Remember, who you become 6 months from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, depends on 3 things. Number 1, who you follow. Number 2, who you listen to. Number 3, the conversations you engage in. Who are the people you follow on your social media? Number 2, what are the voices, the people, the books you read, the videos you watch, the audios you listen to? What do you listen to? It's what you're feeding yourself with. And finally, the conversations you engage in. What do you talk out there? What do you talk with people about? These things define who you become. And if you never knew about it prior to now you know it. You want to start working on that and be intentional about everything. And I guarantee you something. If you apply all the information that I have shared with you tonight, I promise you, your life is going to be better. It's going to be much better. And trust me, it's going to happen for you. So this is how I'm going to be drawing the curtain for tonight. Thank you guys. If you really love this session, put some fire emojis on the comment. Let's see some ATWU on the comments. Let's see some thank you on the comments. We're going to put in more fire to have more sessions like this. I appreciate you guys. Send a message. Click the description of this video to get access to our Telegram channel. Make sure you are in the Telegram channel. We're going 20,000 Telegram subscribers this month and 2,000 YouTube subscribers on this particular channel. On our Freedom Trade House channel, we've already done 50K subscribers already. We're going 100K between now and the end of June. 100K subscribers in Freedom Trade House. 100K subscribers. So you guys are going to be part of the moving train. And I know it's going to happen for you. All right? It's going to happen for you. Thank you, superstars. My name is Sam Keys. And I'm always here to help. Bye for now.